Welcome to Break Free Network. I'm your host, Asher. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you a very important position within the common law trust, and that position is the trust protector. The trust protector gives the grantor peace of mind and help with a smooth transition from ownership of material assets to ownership of TCUs. Hey Addison, what's a trust protector and a TCU?
Trust protector. Protector is to be the first line of defense to keep the trust safe from litigation stemming from questionable conduct by the trustees or from challenges by the beneficiaries. Although the trust protector is not a member of the Board of Trustees, as part of his or her continuing training, invite the protector to attend some of the trust meetings. If the trustees take actions appearing contrary to the instructions of the grantor or the trust indenture, whoever first notices the conflict may call on the protector to review the facts, and if considered necessary to intervene. The degree of intervention depends on the terms of the indenture and the severity of the possible breach. It may include removal of a trustee or even legal action. Appointed by the grantor, the protector should be beholden to the beneficiaries on behalf of grantor and not so heavily invested in the trust. Trust Certificate Units, or TCUs. The claim to a share of the corpus and profits, or income of the trust, whenever payouts are granted. A trust certificate has on it the amount of TCUs given to the exchanger for assets placed in trust. TCUs can be given to those who have not exchanged assets as part of the original trust agreement with the trustees.
Thank you, Addison. A trust protector can be a family member. However, I recommend this person to be an attorney. To learn more about common law trusts and its components, I urge you to get the book, The Art of Passing the Buck, Volume 1, by Charles Author. Now, this type of trust have been around for centuries. Check out this scene from the movie Gladiator, directed by Ridley Scott.
It's a good home. Worth fighting for. There is one more duty that I ask of you before you go home.
What would you have me do, Caesar?
I want you to become the protector of Rome after I die. I will empower you to one end alone, to give power back to the people of Rome and end the corruption that has crippled it. Will you accept this great honor that I have offered you?
With all my heart, no.
Maximus, that is why it must be you.
But surely a prefect, a senator, somebody who knows the city, who understands her politics.
But you have not been corrupted by her politics.
And Commodus?
Commodus is not a moral man. You have known that since you were young. Commodus cannot rule. He must not rule. You are the son that I should have had. Commodus will accept my decision. He knows that you command the loyalty of the army.
I need some time, sire.
Yes. By sunset, I hope you will have agreed.
Take care and see you soon.